Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're all going well. Today, just going to do a short video showcasing Canva. It's what I use to do all my YouTube thumbnails, so I thought I'd do a little quick video and show you through how I kind of use it. And yeah, just so you guys, if you haven't seen it before, it's probably the best way to create YouTube thumbnails. On the homepage, it's about $20 per month to be subscribed, and you can access premium features and stickers and all sorts of stuff. So if you are making YouTube videos a lot, it's probably worth it. If you're not, probably not. Free version does get you a lot of stuff anyway. You just don't get access to some of the fancier stuff. I'm not really sure. I haven't really ventured in too much. All right, we're going to jump into one of my latest. No, it's not my latest, but one of the ones I've done recently. We'll jump into this one here. So, so all you do is pretty much you start in the home page, right? So you start in the home page, go YouTube thumbnail. So start in the home page, YouTube thumbnail, and then this will get the sizing right. So this is the correct size you need. Then I just go to my flight sim screenshots folder, and I'll usually find a good screenshot I like. We'll use this helicopter one, and you can just drag that in. They're not always going to be the right size, so you just kind of line it up with the borders, right? And then leave it a few seconds. It'll kind of like sharpen up, right? And then all you do from there, I usually just go text and add a text box, and then you can just be like, something like that. Right, so you can just do something like that. You've got your colors up here and your font colors, so you can go through, change all the colors of it. And you can also change the color of the font here too. So I've been using the Nor'Wester font. I find that pretty cool. And then we'll change it to green. And then I usually go effects, and this is where you can do all the like outline kind of font. I'll make it a bit bigger for you guys so you can see. Put it up at like 104. Oh, that's too big. Let's go 80. Yeah. So you can even like offset the stuff. So it's really cool. I find that kind of pops. You can do neon. If you want to do neon, maybe like a red neon or something like that. Make it a little bit smaller, 50. Yeah, so it's pretty cool like that. And then if you want to do like multiple things, so we can copy and just paste it like that. And you can have like layers, right? So you can like send backward, you can bring to front. Then you can show the layers, and then I can actually put the layers behind and in front, just like that. So really simple to use. Like they make it super simple, not hard at all. But it does crazy for your thumbnails. Like it makes them really cool. We've got elements. So this is like the biggest thing I use sometimes. So if you go, I'll just try and delete one of those. I just searched up like planes, and you get really cool plane effects like graphics and photos and videos and audio. So go in the graphics tab, you can just see all these like random, like I've used this one in a couple of videos. Change the color of it, green or red. You can change the oh no, that's the outline. But yeah, green or red, resize it. And then if I want the other one in the other, like another one in the other corner, you can just copy it, paste it, drag it, done, And then you can like put this up behind the writing somewhere. And something else I do too is if you go on Google and download like Flight Sim 2024 logo or NVIDIA logo or something like that, you'll see I've got a few here. So I've got like Microsoft Flight Sim, NVIDIA, Steam, and Capture. But I actually downloaded the Flight Sim 2024 logo before. So there you go. So all you do is just drag, drop, right? And then the Flight Sim 2024 logo's in there. If it has a solid background, there is actually up here in the premium, so you have to be subscribed to use it. You can do background remover tool, okay? And if there is a background, it'll scan and it'll remove the background around the writing. So it's kind of got confused and thought that the flight sim was the background and deleted it, but yeah, and you can change the color of it, like of certain things in it. Right, I don't know if you can change the white writing. Haven't really ventured that far, but yeah, normally like you'll just get this logo, you'll drop it in. That's the wrong tab. Yeah, you'll get the logo, you drop it in somewhere. You know, if you want to do it up in the corner or something like that, and just drag these all around to where you want them. And then normally when I export, if you just go up here to the share tab on the top right, I just press share, download on the bottom left. I normally go JPEG. I think you can use PNG, it doesn't really matter. I just go JPEG. Don't change the size because that'll be the YouTube thumbnail specific size. Can change the quality. I think YouTube thumbnails have to be, they can't be bigger than 2 or 3 megabytes. So you can also click down here and limit the file size to 3 megabytes and try and do 100 quality, but it'll just give you whatever you get. So then down here it's creating it. And there you go, it's downloaded. So we'll get that up really quick. Yeah, so there you go. So that's the thumbnail. Obviously it's not going to look amazing when you get the picture up, but you got to remember this is a little YouTube thumbnail, so it's going to look pretty crisp when it's only like a centimeter big. So yeah, there you go. There's a quick tour. Hope that helps some of you guys if you're not using Canva. But yeah, I'll start to use it a lot more lately. I'm kind of getting a bit more used to it. But yeah, I'll start using Adobe Premiere Pro, and hopefully I'll get the hang of that. That's pretty complicated, but yeah, hope that helps some of you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. See you later. Melbourne delivery on a 6:43, gate Echo 9, got X-ray, and requesting our IFR clearance to Sydney again, please.
Connor 643, clear Sydney, Dose Self-Aim route, runway 34.